check TikTok analytics to track views, followers, and engagement. So if you want to track TikTok analytics, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and open up your TikTok application. Now, after opening a TikTok, you need to just go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. And from the profile, you need to go with the three horizontal lines, which is on the top. And once you're on your horizontal lines, you'll have your TikTok Studio option. Once you find your TikTok Studio under your creation tools, you need to click on the TikTok Studio. So right here is where you're going to see all of your analytics and the different tools that TikTok has to offer. So what we're going to do is simply go ahead and tap on the analytics, which is on the top. Just go with the analytics. We're going to select view all, and this will going to show us the different metrics about our content. The first thing you're going to do is select the time period that you wish to check. So let's say I want to analyze the growth or how my TikTok has been performing in the last 7 days. I'll just simply go and select the 7 days, or if you want 28 days, you can go with 28 or 60 or 365 days. Now we are going to check every single category. We can start with the content. This is going to show us the top posts that we have created, also the ones that have the best viewers, the most likes, and any new followers. You can also check the viewers tab, which is right here, right beside the content one. You can see how many people are watching and seeing your content. So for example, it's going to show you the total number of viewers, and from those viewers who are the new ones that are coming into your profile. Now at the bottom, you can also see some insights about your viewers. For example, their gender, their age, their location, and etc. If you scroll down a little bit more, you can also check the most active times of your followers in the last 7 days. This is going to give you a really great idea of when it's going to be the best moment for you to upload your content into your TikTok. If you scroll a little bit more, you'll also see the creators that your viewers are also watching. And you will also have the followers tab. Here you will have your key metrics, your follower insights, and you will also have the live tab, which will be on the last. And from here, you'll be able to see your upgraded metrics and all of your information about your live analytics. That's how you can check your TikTok analytics to track views, followers, and engagement. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.